Every year, American tech giants release the same phone again, just with a new number slapped on the front. Meanwhile, Huawei is busy reinventing what a smartphone can even be. This is the brand new Huawei Mate XTS 非凡大师, a device that folds not once, not twice, but 3 times, turning into something straight out of science fiction. This isn't just a phone, it's craftsmanship, just like this lovely Huawei card I'm in. Wrapped in ultra-thin glass that folds into 3 screen modes. At its thinnest, it's just 3.6 millimeters, slimmer than most credit cards in America. Huawei didn't just give us a bigger screen, they gave us a pocket PC, enabled by Harmony OS 5.1. It has real desktop class apps like WPS Office, full-scale mind mapping tools run here like on a workstation. Multi-window freedom lets you drag and drop files, resize apps, and even compare stocks, news, and shopping all at the same time. Try doing that on an American phone. Spoiler, you can't. With the new M Pen 3, you can write, sketch, use their air mouse to turn pages, can control presentations, or even scroll through Douyin. It's not just a gimmick, it's an actual productivity tool. The camera setup, now with Huawei's new maple color sensor, photos aren't just shot, they're alive, with pro-level color accuracy that makes most Western phones look washed out. The Huawei Mate XTS 非凡大师 isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement that China is leading in design, innovation, and connectivity. Meanwhile, American tech giants are still busy renaming last year's phone and calling it progress. Foldable glass, satellite communication, PC-level multitasking, AI that actually helps you. That's not something Silicon Valley can copy-paste. The truth is, they can't keep up. The future has already arrived and it folds right into your pocket. And now buying the Huawei Mate XTS 非凡大师 is simply a great deal. Not only will you get a free screen protector, but there's also on-site service so you don't have to leave home. If the screen breaks, you can get a replacement at half price. Plus, when you purchase the phone, you can get Huawei Care Plus, which makes you feel super secure. This offer is just amazing, so hurry up and get yours, and I will see you guys in the next one. Signing off.